Hello everyone, I'm Manthan.
And I'm Akshath from Akshath Public School, Mysore. Today, we're excited to share our innovation, Autocool.
In India, millions of people depend on auto-rickshaw for daily travel. But during summer, temperatures inside auto often rise above 45 degrees Celsius, especially in traffic jams. Passengers struggle and many avoid autos completely, leading to loss of income for drivers.
So we asked ourselves, can we make auto rickshaw travel cooler, affordable, and eco-friendly without using traditional AC?
And that's how we built Autocool, a sustainable spot cooling system for autos, powered directly by solar energy.
We use two Peltier modules supported by heat sinks and thermal grease for effective heat transfer. To enhance cooling, we added copper plates around the Peltier unit. Since copper conducts heat better than aluminium, the cold side cools a larger area, making the system more efficient.
We remove heat from the hot side using a radial blower. The cooled air is then pushed through a 3D printed nozzle into a 1-inch pipe system that distributes cool air into the auto.
This system runs on a two-way power system. One where it runs on a 12-volt battery. The other uses solar panels with a charge controller and battery. We also built a PWM control box so passengers can control cooling intensity and the fan speed, just like an AC knob.
To understand the real need, we surveyed auto drivers and regular passengers in Mysore. Over 85% said they would prefer an affordable cooling add-on, and 70% said they would consider installing it if it saved fuel compared to AC.
ಸರ್ ಕೂಲಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್
ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
If selected, we aim to reduce power consumption using improved heat sink technology, integrate humidity control for coastal cities, and test commercial installation with real drivers.
We believe Autocool can make daily travel in autos cooler, greener and more comfortable. Thank you.